Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we're going to be reviewing a very cool pair of boots and I can't wait for you guys to see them, so let's get into the video. First thing first, let's talk about it. They went crazy on the laces, like OD crazy. I also love how Rick kept the classic over the top big tongue on the boot. It's always higher than the actual boot. What else I love about the boot? How they changed the sole of this boot. So the last release, it's more of like a platform sole, which I think, in my opinion, is more feminine. I love how this one has more of like a sneaker sole, and I think it gives the boot more of an edge, more of a durable look, and it just goes with the style so much better. I think they really should keep this sole of the shoe. It's really cute. I love it. And I also love that you can just slip your foot into this boot without undoing the shoelaces. So you can really keep how they already originally strung up. Don't have to worry about it. Like, I don't even have to unzip the boot to get my foot in it. I love them. I love the style. The comfort is there, y'all. If you see them, you like them, I say snag them. And thank you for watching.